students, welcome back. Today we will continue with our first chapter, that is World of Colors. Right now we have completed up till activity 9. Okay, so in the previous activities we've learned how mixing colors can give us new colors. Like if we mix red and yellow we get orange, if we mix blue and yellow we get green, and if we mix blue and red we get violet. Then we also learned that there are a number of names given to the same color, like brown color has been given a lot of names by the company of a crayon called Crayola. And the last activity, that was activity 9, was a very fun filled activity where you had to actually mix colors and make your own color and give it your own name. So I hope all of you are done with that. Now let's move on to activity 10. Now before I begin with activity 10, let me explain to you what this activity is about. This activity is about idioms. Okay, idioms in English means muhavre. Like in Hindi and Gujarati, when you have muhavre, in English it is known as idioms. Okay, so now you have been given 3 idioms over here which are related to color. I will read the idioms to you, I will read the sentences, I will explain, and then we can take a guess about what it actually means. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. Read the example sentences that use the idiom once in a blue moon. I only eat sweets once in a blue moon. I really try to take care of myself. The only part of the work I didn't like was once in a blue moon. We'd have to stay all night doing paper work. Once in a blue moon, you might get lucky, but the best way to get what you want is to work hard. Think about these sentences. What do you think once in a blue moon means? Now once in a blue moon means rarely, seldom, very seldom, मतलब कभी कभी. Once in a blue moon means कभी कभी. Okay, so in the first sentence it means I only eat sweets once in a blue moon. I really try to take care of myself. मतलब मैं मिठाई कभी कभी ही खाता हूँ. Once in a blue moon means कभी कभी, seldomly. I take care of myself, मैं खुद का बहुत ध्यान रखता हूँ. The only part of work I didn't like was once in a blue moon we'd have to stay all night doing paper work. मतलब मुझे काम का एक ही चीज़ पसंद नहीं है, कभी कभी हमको पूरी रात जग के पेपर वर्क करना पड़ता है. Once in a blue moon you might get lucky, but the way to get what you want is to work hard. कभी कभी हम लकी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन बेस्ट वे, कुछ भी अचीव करने का बेस्ट वे क्या है, तो हमें वर्क हार्ड करना चाहिए. तो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट द इडियम वंस इन अ ब्लू मून means. Okay, now I am going to read the next idiom. Okay, read the example sentence that use the idiom show true colors. अभी हमें show true colors के 3 examples दिए गए. First we'll learn that and then we'll try to understand what it is. When people are under stress, they show their true colors. He seemed very loving before the wedding, but afterwards he began to show his true colors. Your willingness to show your true colors proves you have nothing to hide. Now this idiom show true color means to reveal oneself as one really is. मतलब खुद के रंग दिखाना, आप जैसे हो वैसे ही उसको दिखाना. ठीक है, तो when people are under stress they show their true colors. जब लोगों के ऊपर बहुत सारा स्ट्रेस है, प्रेशर आता है, तो वो अपने असली कलर दिखाते या वो अपनी असलियत दिखाते हैं. He seemed very loving before the wedding, but afterwards he began to show his true colors. शादी के पहले वो बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन शादी के बाद उसने अपना रियल सेल्फ रिवील किया. Your willingness to show your true colors proves you have nothing to hide. तुम्हारी willingness, मतलब जो हम बोलते हैं ना, चाह कुछ करने की, ये दिखाता है कि तुम में कुछ छुपाना नहीं है. मतलब तुम अपने सही कलर्स दिखा रहे हो. ठीक है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग for the idiom show true colors. Now let's move on to the last one, that is read the example sentences that use the idiom get the green light. Now we have come to the next idiom, that is get the green light. So what does get the green light mean? I will explain. First let's read the sentences. If you want to have a party, you'll need to get the green light from both parents. We have the green light now, so we can go build the stadium. I am happy to say we've got the green light to go ahead with the sale. I hope ये sentences पढ़ के आपको थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आ ही गया है कि ग्रीन लाइट, गेट द ग्रीन लाइट का मीनिंग क्या है. तो गेट द ग्रीन लाइट का मीनिंग है टू ग्रांट परमिशन टू गो फॉरवर्ड विथ समथिंग और टू रिसीव परमिशन टू डू सो. मतलब किसी चीज़ को करने की परमिशन देना या किसी चीज़ को करने की परमिशन मिलना. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट वाला, इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव अ पार्टी यू विल नीड टू गेट द ग्रीन लाइट फ्रॉम बोथ पेरेंट्स. अगर तुम्हें पार्टी करनी है तो तुम्हें अपने दोनों पेरेंट्स से ग्रीन लाइट लेनी पड़ेगी, मतलब परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी. वी हैव द ग्रीन लाइट नाउ सो वी कैन गो बिल्ड द स्टेडियम. हमें परमिशन मिल गई है तो अब जाके हम स्टेडियम बना सकते हैं. आई एम हैप्पी टू से वीव गॉट द ग्रीन लाइट टू गो अहेड विद द सेल. मैं खुश हूँ ये बताने के लिए कि हमें परमिशन मिल गई है तो अब हम जाके सेल कर सकते हैं. सो विद दिस वी कंप्लीट आवर चैप्टर. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड the concept of different colors, the concept of mixing colors and this grammar concept, that is idioms. Okay, so if there is any doubt we can also solve it later on, but if you have any doubt please keep it underlined so that I can help you with it. And you will read the story, that is Quarreling Colors, once again so that we can move on to writing our question answers in workbook in our next session. Okay, thank you.